kami tonight. Two nights kami dito. Ang dami namin.
What are you doing, boy?
How was it, baby? How?
Challenging. Another house, Bill. Built by Steve and Mary. My friend Minna.
Ang dami namin, oh. Oh, ready sila, oh. Yan. Oh, ang ganda, oh. Ready na. Ito, pinakamalaki na tent, no?
Yeah.
Oo. Ang mga kids, enjoy na enjoy sa camping nila. First time nila.